everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review the newest Eufy E20 robotic vacuum robot, which is 3-in-1. It works extra cool, so it works as a robotic vacuum robot, as well as you can separate this part from the robot, and it is a handheld vacuum which came with a few nozzles. So first of all, you got this little small nozzle right here that you can easily just take out, and it came with 2 more nozzles to use as a handheld vacuum, as well as it's a vacuuming robot with a self-emptying station.
So guys, the traditional cleaning tools that we all are using in our houses, they cannot actually clean the whole house of yours. You need to buy various ones, which takes up space and costs more and more money. But Eufy E20 has a shift, one to clean them all. And that's the beauty about this device.
It works with a smart application, and you can fully customize, personalize, and control your robot through the smart application once it's in the vacuuming robot mode. Eufy E20 is definitely and absolutely redefining the definition of cleaning. It works with an
innovative Flexi One combo design.
This is a robot vacuum with deep cleaning system. It's one tool which will do it all. One is the new smart cleaning experience, means that it is one product for any possible type of vacuuming all around your house. It's simplifying life while elevating standards. Eufy didn't just build a new vacuum. They redefined what smart cleaning could be. One solution, infinite scenarios. So this one is 3-in-1. It's a robot, handheld vacuum, and a stick vacuum. 3-in-1. How amazing is this? Guys, I truly think it's a genius idea. I tried it out. It's extra powerful, extra strong, and it's definitely covering all possible vacuuming needs all around my 3 floors house. So guys, let's get started with a detailed review of this Eufy E20 newest and freshly launched vacuum cleaner.
So this is Eufy E20, the world's first detachable combo robot vacuum with a deep cleaning system. It's literally all in one. So from tackling deep carpet stains into spot cleaning sticky staircases, the E20 adapts to every cleaning need. Its detachable design empowers you to clean with an efficiency. It's one device for every type of dirt. Power is the key to a smart cleaning tool, so the Eufy E20 is built with an advanced 5-stage filtration system. The E20 is the best deep cleaning companion that handles every single type of dirt, whatever it hides. It's the smarter future of cleaning, and it's already here. So what is the 3-in-1 detachable type of a design? So it is a robot vacuum. So it seamlessly cleans floors and carpets. It's vacuuming your floors as a smart robot vacuum. Then you have the handheld mode. This one is to tackle stairs, sofas, and tight spaces. And then you have the stick mode, so you can handle deep carpet cleaning or vertical surfaces. And by the way, guys, you are so very welcome to join the Smart Ones campaign via Eufy. So Eufy has a landing page, which the link to this landing page you will be able to find at the description box down below to this video of mine. So you're welcome to click it and go to the Eufy landing page to get exclusive perks and 100-day worry-free trials. The Eufy E20 is an award-winning type of a device. So first of all, it's got the TESS CES 2025 Innovation Award, which that's the highest honor in home appliance field. It's got way more award winnings. You're welcome to go check them out through the link down below at the description box to this video of mine. So by using different attachments, it can transform into a robot vacuum, a handheld vacuum, and a cordless stick vacuum. If I'm going to compare the weight, so the E20 cordless stick vacuum weighs 2.4 kilograms, which is lighter than the average weight of, let's say, Dyson, which weight is going to be 2.87 kilograms, and Shark, which weight is 2.65 kilograms. So it's easier on your hand to work with a lighter type of a vacuum, so it's a better ergonomic design. And by the way, the dust cap diameter is the smallest in the industry.
The dust cap capacity is 12.35 ounces.
So it is the smallest and the most stronger vacuum out there. By the way, it's extra powerful. As I said before, it's capable of 30,000 of PA suction. The high technology it works on, it's the Aero Turbo Deep Suction System. This is the strongest suction than the competitors. So it delivers the strongest suction among mid and SES robot vacuums, providing a real 8,000 of PA suction ability. If I'm going to compare it with any other robot vacuums at the industry, well, competing robots in the same price range typically offer suction of only 3 to 6,000 of PA ability, while Eufy E20 offering 8,000 of PA while in the robot mode and 30,000 PA while in the vacuum mode. It has TUV SUD certification. It has a durable high suction mark. It's best for pet hair on carpet because it's cleaning it really efficiently, as well as it's a great high suction ability. So it's capable to lift up to 788 grams of items. Now, the next amazing thing about the Eufy E20, it's the auto emptying ability. So the E20 features a shared dust collection box for an auto emptying in all 3 modes. So it doesn't matter how you are using your Eufy E20, as a handheld type of a vacuum, or as a robotic vacuum, or as a stick vacuum, whatever. It will absolutely support the auto emptying. Even in the vacuum mode, there is no need for manual dust cleanup. And this is literally one of the most first handheld vacuums in the world which are supporting the auto dust collection. How amazing is that? Have you ever seen a handheld or a stick vacuum that will support an auto emptying? I don't think so. I mean, I've never seen something like that. Let me know down below in the comments. And now when it does the auto dust collection, it's super cool. It will go out. It will rotate itself 180 degrees to bring the vacuum itself to the robot station. And then it's going to collect the dust automatically while putting it into the dust bag up there. And that type of versatile auto emptying will give you 75 days of maintenance free for a household of about 2 people and 1 pet, as well as it equipped with a large 3 liters capacity of a dust bag, so it's minimizing the need of frequent cleaning and allows up to 75 days of use without emptying at all. Also, the fully sealed dust bag effectively prevents any dust leakage by reducing allergy risks and secondary pollution. It works with the Aero Turbo 5-stage filtration system, and this is the industry's professional 5-stage filtration technology, which is now applied to the Eufy E20 robot vacuums with a filtration efficiency of up to 99.97% of debris. In addition to the 5-stage filtration, it also innovatively adapts to a flat mode for robot vacuum, achieving a highly efficient horizontal cyclone separation. And right now, that type of a technology can be only found on a high-end top brands priced at $1,000 or more. Now, what is the 5-stage filtration? 1. Main cyclone. It's separating the hair and large particles. Then, stainless steel mesh filtration. It's capturing the hair and flock. Then, 5 cyclone structure. It separates air and dust. The 4th stage, it's the high precision filtration sponge, the pre-filter for dust to protect the high performance filter. And the last one, the 5th stage of filtration, is the 12th level washable high performance filter, filtering even the smallest particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust mites, pet dander, and pollen. So if you or anyone in your house suffering from any type of allergies, this vacuum is going to be the best decision to get for you. It even got the allergy-free mark from the TUV SUD certification. So the 5-stage filtration system is designed to minimize debris build-up, and it is preventing the filter from clogging to ensure a fluent airflow for consistently strong suction. So as a result, it's going to act like new even after long use. Another great feature of the Eufy E20 is the millimeter level obstacle avoidance ability. It works with a triple laser design, which refers to a top leader navigation system with front and right side structured light sensors for obstacle detection. The front laser scans the surroundings at 129 degrees of an angle. Then it's detecting and avoiding unlimited obstacles as small as 15 millimeters, which is equal to about 0.59 inches. Then Then the side sensor helps identify obstacles and walls for edge cleaning. So as a result, it gives a way more precise obstacle detection. With the triple laser sensors, the robot has 3 eyes for better obstacle recognition and avoidance.
So it can easily avoid the children and pets, so they can play freely, safely, and undisturbed while Eufy is cleaning.
Another thing is that it's excellent in cleaning even in a dark environment. So unlike RGB visual obstacle avoidance, the E20 with triple laser excels in dark spaces, such as under the cabinets and beds or during the night time. So it's gonna clean really well even at night. Another thing is that it has a 40% faster flash charging. So it's gonna be fully charged at 2.5 hours through the fast charging. This is a lightning fast charging, same idea as with the iPhones, and it's gonna charge 40% faster than the competitors.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments to this video of mine. Please let me know, how do you vacuum your house? How do you vacuum these, small little things like your stairs or your kitchen, or even how do you clean your espresso machine? Because I use vacuums for every single thing. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I highly recommend you to check out Eufy E20. As I told you before, they've got the TESS 2025 Innovation Award. It's an amazing award. And by the way, I'm going to TESS, so I will be in TESS all the 4 days from 7th of January till the 10th of January. And I'm going to be reviewing so many brands. It's going to be an amazing experience. Every single year I'm going to TESS, and this is an amazing event, the biggest tech event on our planet. Well guys, be so very sure to check Eufy E20 out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box of this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like how to save your money, how to pay less. So don't be fooled, don't pay the full price, because I got some coupons for you. Guys, all the information about how to save some money, coupons, discount codes, sales, promotions, and so very on, everything is going to be available down below at the description box to this video of mine, so be so very sure to check it all out.
Eufy is offering up to $100 off and a 100-day worry-free return and exchange.
And guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I am truly impressed and excited about this Eufy E20. It's a genius product. It definitely combines all the possible vacuuming, cleaning scenarios into one small, compact size and lightweight type of a device. It's extra powerful, it vacuums in an amazing way, and I'm a huge fan of Eufy E20. I will highly recommend you guys to get this one to your houses. Thanks to the compact size, there is no need to store different devices, different type of products for each possible vacuum needs. You have it all in one, as well as it's a robotic vacuum cleaner at the same time. How cool is that? Well guys, subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO. Valentine.